welcome to a new video from Mark George. Today I'm going to teach you how to put your PC on the ultimate power plan. This is not accessible by the regular options, but in this video you'll learn how to access it. Keep up. So first we want to check the version of your Windows. So we go there and type winver, then click run command. If your Windows version 1803 and this version is higher a bit from the lowest version, so it's accessible. So then you open OK, go this again on these 4 squares for Windows icon, then click check for updates. Go to check for updates, which is there from the system settings, and here it's checking for updates. So you're up to date, which is good. So now we close this one and click the right click now on the icon and go to Windows PowerShell admin. So we go there, open it, and then I'll put, so it does this because we're into Windows system. So we now click this and click enter. So here it shows ultimate performance. So we now have done it. We closed it and then go there and the icon again and say power plan. It doesn't matter what's writing, but you'll choose the mark of the battery and this charger. So you click on it. So now we'll have my regular plans and then show additional plans. We click on them and we'll have ultimate performance. There is it. Provides ultimate performance on higher end PCs. So we can customize it. We turn off display. Well, I'll go with never for all because I don't want my PC to go on sleep, but I want it display. Let's go with 1 hour, and when plugged in, never. By the way, the ultimate performance takes a lot, and when I mean a lot, it's just just really so much energy gone in ultimate performance. So if your battery lives for 1 hour and 20 minutes, it will live for just maybe 45 minutes or something, because ultimate performance gives your PC a higher version, which means if your processor is a Core i3 for example, it will move to not i5 but just i4, although i4 is not there and there's nothing called i4, but it will invent something because it takes ultimate performance, which is from the meaning of the ultimate. It's just making your PC better. So we now save changes and there we go. Refresh. But the problem here isn't working. If you click on the right button, it just see this time takes. So what we want to do here is we going to go there and click on this button and we will restart, and it's now ready to go. So on your PC, just do that, and that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did so, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss any video that I upload. Also, don't forget to tell me in the comment section below what tutorial do you want next time, so I'll make it to you. Thanks.